Hi there, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are in the kitchen with some of our leftover Halloween pumpkins. We are going to wash these and we're going to bake them in a nice sweet caramel sauce. And this will be so sweet and scrumptious. But you know, pumpkin can be a little bit difficult to work with, so we have my neighbor Kenny in the kitchen with us today, and Kenny is gonna wash the pumpkins for us, and he's going to clean them all out and get all those seeds and yucky stuff out of the middle. Then we're gonna bake it up. You ready to get started, Kenny?
Yeah!
All right.
We're going to start by gathering a few ingredients for our sauce. Our caramel sauce is basically made from brown sugar. We're going to cook it on top of the stove, and then later we are going to bake our pumpkin pieces in the sauce. We're going to bring the mixture to a boil, then we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for a while. As it cooks, all of our sugars are going to melt, creating our delicious caramel sauce. While the sauce is simmering, we are going to prepare our pumpkin. We're going to give it a good wash on the outside, then we're going to open it up, remove the seeds, and slice it into pieces. When our pumpkin is sliced into strips, we're then going to arrange it into a baking pan. It's okay if the pieces overlap. And then our warm, sweet syrup gets poured over the pumpkin. We're then going to pop it in the oven for about an hour. When it comes out of the oven, the pumpkin will be tender and super sweet. You can eat it on its own, but we're going to have it with some ice cream.
Is it good, Kenny?
Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe and more articles and video, go online to PenelCentral.com.